How to insert an image on PDF. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add or insert an image on your PDF. So let's get started. First, open up your PDF. So let's see this PDF right here and there's nothing in it, but I want to insert an image in it. So to do that, you'll need to open this up in your Word. Right click on the PDF and there you'll see open with option. Simply tap on open with, and here if you find Word, tap on it. If you don't find it, tap on choose another app. Here, choose your Word, and after you double tap on Word, your PDF will open up in Word. And it's that simple. So wait for it to open. And what you'll need to do is you can simply insert an image after you're in Word. Make sure that you tap on this enable editing option on the top, and you're good to go. Now place this wherever you want the image in. So I'll just drag this image right here, and there we go. And that is basically how you can insert an image in your PDF. Now all you have to do is save this image, save this PDF. And if you want to save it as PDF, it's really simple. Head over to File on top left, then tap on Save As, and tap on More option. After you do that, you can see file location where you can save this. So let me just search for a file location where I want to save this, and make sure that you select PDF right here and tap on save. Now make sure that you change the name so it does not conflict with the other name it had. Tap on save, and it should open up after you have added the PDF file. So tap on just once, and there we go. You've just inserted a an image in a PDF. That's how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.